Good morning, guys. What is up? Today is officially move-in day. I cannot believe it has come this fast. Also, just want to point out that yes, I'm talking with the lisp right now because I had my teeth lightening things in. So I'm currently packing up. Our plan is to leave around 12. I packed up some of the car last night and I put some stuff in my dad's van. This sounds so weird. I'm not gonna have these things in my mouth the whole video, so I promise it gets better. But I have most of the stuff I packed last night, just things that I don't want to melt, like my makeup and my computer and camera and laptop and all of that jazz over there. So I have to pack that up into my car, and then I think we're gonna hit the road. I'm not ready to leave my little puppy. She's so cute. I just wish they would allow dogs on campus. Like, college would be so much better if they allowed dogs. I'm serious.
Little mama, I see you in 11 days. Yeah.
I don't know if you guys saw my like packing vlog, but I literally did more of that yesterday and then some today. So I've been packing. My back hurts because I've been bending over too much, but what are you gonna do? Also, I did re-dye my hair. You guys probably noticed that. You're like, what the heck? Don't worry, before I get questions, I filmed a video on it. So that's gonna be going up soon on my channel, probably after this one. I don't really know. All right, we're all packed up, kind of super full, but we're gonna go road tripping, just me and Jake, and we'll update you guys sometime. Well, we made it to Liberty, but we're at Chick-fil-A because you can't move in without Chick-fil-A, can you, Jake?
No, you can't.
You can't. So we are currently getting closer and closer to the food. We got stuck behind a really slow work truck on the way. It was really great. 10 out of 10. Don't recommend. All right, well, we're currently watching a car get a bath, and we got our Chick-fil-A. Jake, what did you get?
#1 combo as always.
I got a kids meal and I had to get iced coffee because I can't do anything right
Unless I have coffee.
But we're gonna eat our food and then we're gonna go over to Liberty and hopefully find somewhere to park and get in there because it's gonna be chaotic. First thing is I have to figure out where my dorm is. And then we figure out the people who are helping us.
You know where your dorm is?
Yeah, well, I kind of do, but there's like multiple buildings.
You've made like 27 college prep videos and you
Don't know where your dorm is.
Well, I'm just not 100% sure. Hopefully we'll find it, but we'll update you guys in just a little bit.
We're here.
We said that we were going because Mrs. College Prep Videos Ultimate Guide to College doesn't know where her room
I
is.
don't know where the building is.
Those guys back there had a sign that said honk for Jesus and you didn't even honk.
Because, you know, I didn't want to be weird.
Heathen. Okay.
Well, Commons is right there, so we're getting closer. I think it's this building. I see
So why are we over here?
Because I thought this was the way to get over there. All right, we just made the dorm and everyone like just got all of our stuff out of the car. It was super nice. Like they just came out of nowhere and just got it all. So this is Jacqueline and Berkeley's bed. They're not here, they're at like a youth quest meeting. And then this is my bed right here. We didn't even have the lights turned on. We're struggling. It smells really good in here. I don't know what they have in here, but it smells really good. I have to make up my bed up there, so this is gonna be interesting. Jake, you're gonna have to assist me. Gotta get mattress topper out. I'm really excited about this. I'm like way too excited about this mattress topper. It's gonna be so satisfying to open this, Jake. Finally found scissors and 2 of my nails have been chipped. Yes, we did it.
Struggling? Struggling?
Comfy.
You enjoying yourself?
Yeah, as long as I don't like go. But it's okay because these like they move.
You want to hurt his bed? Can we just take a moment?
What?
Look at the design
It's Stranger Things.
that goes into this thing, man.
They knew I was coming. Well, we're making progress. All right, now I have to do it all over again, but with sheets.
Can we do it again?
Bottoms up. I mean, look out below.
Bottoms up.
I don't know what I was saying. Well, Jake managed to clean the fridge up, so he did a good job. And I got my bed set up. I'll show you in a second, but I think we're doing good. All right, made a lot of progress so far. Starting to come together. Jake's been a good helper. Jake and my dad got the TV up. Good job, Jake. And then I got all my clothes and towels and stuff put away for now. I'm trying to figure out where to put this poster and these things. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday it was like crazy, so we finally got all our stuff moved in and my family left, and I went and got dinner with my roommates, and so I wasn't filming because it just got crazy towards the end. But I'm about to head out and get some lunch now, so I'm gonna try to bring you guys with me, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys kind of how I set up everything. But yeah, it was like crazy yesterday, but we got everything moved in and it looks really good in here. And before I go, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So I have my dress that I thrifted online. It's from Princess Polly, and then I have a white t-shirt underneath, and then I have my favorite boots on. And yeah, I got ready this morning, all good. Okay, so I made it back from lunch. I couldn't vlog because there's literally like 50 million people out there today because people are still moving in, so there's families. I'm out of breath, I had to run up some steps. I'm gonna have such big quads by the end of the semester because I have to go up and down the steps to get food, which I guess is a good thing. But I just went to Hakeout and I got a turkey burger because I really like turkey burgers, and I used my first plus wipe, so all is good. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I've done so far. I'm gonna do more like in-depth room tour soon, so be on the lookout for that. But for now, I'm just gonna show you kind of like what I did yesterday. So here's my side, like an overview of it. I'm gonna show you my desk area first. So I just have my dresser and I have some pictures and stuff on my dresser, and I have my computer area and my nice blanket on my chair. I also have a printer. I put my hats up there, and I just hung some lights in my little garland for Urban Outfitters, and I think it looks so cute. And I'm gonna climb up in the bed and try not to fall and injure myself. That's what my bed looks like. Put some pictures over there, and then I have this little moon thing. And yeah, that's kind of everything that I did yesterday. And then I also got my closet set up over here, and we did finally get the TV to work, which took forever. There's people occupied. I also stopped to hang up this poster, but I think I'm gonna get a frame for it. And then I have my trench record to hang up somewhere. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you think where I should put it. So I have like this wall right there, and then I have some more space up here I could hang it, and as well as this wall. So definitely let me know in the comments below where you think I should put it, because I have no idea where to put those things. Oh, and I don't think I showed you guys, but then over here we just have our fridge, our microwave, and our coffee machine. I brought this fan, and this is our little like coffee and tea cart, so it has all the necessities on there. And then I got this really nice water filter for our sink, and it is a lifesaver. And then I just have all of my my shower stuff. My shower caddy's up there, my shower shoes are here, and all that is in there. I definitely still have a bit more organization to do in my dresser and then in my desk, but for now I think we did pretty good for moving it all in that quick. But yeah, I had a great day yesterday, and today's been doing good. I got a really yummy lunch. My boyfriend's actually moving into his apartment today, so I should see him later. And yeah, I think we're gonna have dinner. But yeah, I'm super duper excited to be here at Liberty, and I can't wait to make more college videos for you guys. So definitely let me know in the comments down below what other college videos you'd like to see from me, and I will for sure be checking those out. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this move-in vlog. I know it was kind of like crazy and all over the place, but that's real life, and that's kind of how move-in vlogs are. Yeah, I think I did a good job, and I got everything settled for now. And we still have to get like a rug and curtains and stuff, and when we do that, I will do the dorm tour for you guys, so you can be on the lookout for that, and I will be telling you guys where every single thing in my room is from. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up for me. If you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you're interested in checking out any of my previous videos, you can click them right over there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.